In the last video, we had seen how to make the course available and change the color in the menu here. The course management menu is not changeable. You cannot change the color or the tabs on there. Okay, these are the user created tabs. You can create any tabs here you want. You can hide any tabs that here if you want. If you click on this, you can hide these links if you do not want them. You can delete them. I would suggest not to delete any of them, but you could just hide them from the student's view. Okay, let's say if I hide the tools menu or the groups menu here, if you say hide the link, there'll be a small box here that indicates that it's hidden from the students. But if you want to see how the students would view this course, you can click on this eye here, and then if you click and see, this is the student view. If you take a look at it, it says student preview on. That means this is exactly how the students are going to see it. The students will not see the course management menu because they cannot alter it. These are the only menu options that the students will see. So every time you create a tab here, you add a content, I suggest that you go see in the student preview whether that course is available, that tab or that content that you posted is available. To exit preview, click on exit preview and say continue. So it comes back to the instructor menu. When you come back, make sure that this edit mode is on always, so you can add and edit. Okay. So I'm just going to post a welcome announcement. As I told you, let me just go create the home page. I mean the landing page. The students will land in this page when they log into my course. So when they click on home here, and then they see the list of all the courses, when they click on the course, they will end up in this announcements page. Okay, so I'm going to make this announcements page a little more colorful with a banner and a welcome announcement here. So when the students log in for the first time in your course on the beginning of the first class, they should be able to see a welcome announcement and a nice banner here. Okay, the banner is of course optional, but it just gives a colorful view. To add a banner, you could either go on Google, and I'm just going to search. Um, I'm just going to Google now, and I'm just going to search marketing management. And I'm just going to pick up one of those images. You could do that, or you could create your own image. There are hundreds of images that comes up. Just make sure that it doesn't violate any copyrights. But if you want, you're using it, so you could just take this image and just post it as a banner. Okay, so since I already have a banner, I'm going to post my own banner. So to do that, go to the course management menu all the way down to teaching style in the customization. Click on customization, and then go to teaching styles, and then you will see this is where we changed our color, if you remember. And then if you want to change your color, just go on of this menu, just click on this, and you could change any color that you want. Let me change it to dark green, maybe. Yeah, dark green. Click apply, and then it changes to blue. So I have to go submit in order for it to change. Okay, before that, let me show you how to add a banner image. See, this is a select banner image. So attach a banner. So I could click browse my computer, select my own banner. You could download it from Google, or you can create. I have my own banner that I've created. So I'm just going to select my own banner and make sure that you submit this. It has to be submitted. Okay, I clicked on submit. Now if you go back to announcements and see, the banner should appear there. Okay, it has not appeared, so I just have to go back to teaching style and then make sure that this, okay, marketing management is here. I just need to submit. Okay, this banner is here. I just need to submit in order for it to be. So if you do not submit it, then the banner will be uploaded, but it will not appear in the announcements page. I just need to make sure where the announcements page will be there. So in order to make the landing page, see the entry point, I want it to be the announcements page and not the home page. By default, it will always be in home page. If you want, you can change it to your collaborate class, or you could change it to announcements. I always make it announcements. So this banner will also be available in the announcements, and the landing page, the entry point for the student, will also be the announcements. So let me just go and click submit here at the bottom. So I have uploaded my banner. I have changed the color. and I have made the entry point to announcements. Now I'm going to click submit, and I want to see if all the changes have been made. So I can go click on announcements. See, now my banner is here and then the announcements are here. Okay, so when the student clicks in, they automatically come into this entry point. Let's check that. So click on home. I'm going to go all the way to my course, data 10, sorry, marketing 48 fall 2020. Okay, that's my course. Fall 2020 marketing management. When I click this, automatically it goes to the entry point, which is the announcements page. So any student who clicks on my course first time or any time, they will always, the entry point will be the announcements page. Now I'm just going to show you how to post an announcement. So click on announcements here, and this is the entry point, create announcements. Sometimes when this edit mode is off, you will not see anything, you won't be able to edit because the edit mode is off. So make sure that the edit mode is on, then you will see a create announcements here. You can click on create announcement. I'm just going to enter a welcome to marketing 48 fall 2020. Okay, so you could just give a welcome message, and if you want it to be in a different color, you could select that. That's fine. I could want it to be in red, so I'll just make it a red color, apply. So this text will be in red color, and I'm just going to include welcome to fall. I just copied the fall 2020 session. I hope all of you had a good summer break. Now it's back to school season. Welcome to marketing fall 2020. And you can introduce yourself here and wherever we are meeting. We are meeting on Thursdays between 6 and 8:45. It's not a classroom. On Collaborate on Blackboard. You can say this course is going to be a fully online course. This course is going to be a fully online course. We all obviously know that because of this thing, we are not able to have online classes. Sorry, we are not able to have in-campus classes, so it's online classes. Okay, you can give your contact info here and your office. Obviously, we're not going to be meeting, but my office is still here. I will not be available on campus, so just make it very clear. Not be available on campus. Okay, and then this is just a welcome announcement though, so you can just post it here. So that's how the announcements are posted. So if you see here, this is normally in reverse chronological order. So as you post new announcements, this one will automatically get bumped down. Okay, so that's how you create an announcement. If you want to see all your announcements, click on the announcements, you will be able to see that. Okay, the second thing in the announcement is if you want this announcement to be sent out as an email, make sure when you I'm just editing this. So when you post an announcement, there is an option called here. See, when I type the message here, I want to make sure that an email announcement is sent out. Make sure that this is checked out. This will be sent out to all your student users in this classroom. Okay, if you want to know who are your users, you make sure that this is sent out to all the users as an email. So whatever you type here with this subject will be sent out as an email when you click this button. Okay, I'm not doing that now because the course is still not made available, but all announcements, I suggest that you send out an email to the students, because there may be some students who don't check the Blackboard regularly. So it's always good to send them as an email. So make sure that this is clicked every time you post an announcement. So click submit, it will be sent. Okay. Right, so that's another small thing that all of us need to understand when we are posting announcements. Okay, to see who are our users, who are all the students in the class. Some people may say, I'm in your class, but I'm not able to get into your Blackboard. So make sure you click on users and groups on the course management menu. Click on users. Here you will see all the students here. and if you will be assigned as the instructor here, just make sure that no other students have an instructor option. If there are like more than one instructor, if you're not aware of another instructor co-teaching this class, you need to contact the chair. Make sure that no other student is having the role of an instructor, okay, because they'll be able to see all tests and exams, which is not desirable. So make sure you are the only instructor and all the other students are here. You can take a list from here, or use it for attendance and so on. Okay, so the users, if you want to add them, you can add them, find students to enroll here, and then you can add them if you want. But normally the students who are in your class are already added in your class. Okay, so that's how you look at the users. Okay, now let's go back and start creating a tab. My class Marketing 48 is normally divided into week-wise, and I'm going to create week-wise courses. Okay, before that, let me go. I posted the course banner here. Now let me input my faculty contact information. Okay, so here in the information section, you will have faculty contact, or you could create your own. Sorry, in the contact info, you can create your own contact info here. Okay, so if you click on contact information here, every Blackboard comes with a default contact info here. If you want, you can go rename this and save my contact information or faculty contact information. Okay, and click this tick mark here to save it, and then go on to create a contact. So I'm creating my contact. Title is Doctor. My first name is Daniel. So I will be entering my name, Lazarus. So that's my name. Email, give the email where you want your students to contact you, which is daniel.lazarus@bcc.cuny.edu. I don't want all this. So I've a work phone number. I'm not giving my phone number. I will be giving out my Google phone number later on. Okay, you can go back and edit this anytime. Office location, you could give out your office location, which is online by email or phone by appointment. So that's my location. Office hours. My office hours are Mondays between 11:45 to 12:45. That's my office hours. And Thursdays 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, you could enter something like this on Zoom. Okay, so I could give the Zoom details here. I could give them the class, which I will be creating a Zoom thing, and then I will post it here. Or you could even give your phone number here if you want. They could call in, or you could create a collaborate class. Whatever tool that you're using to contact the students, you could use that here. Okay, so you could put some notes like by appointment only. Okay, please email me. Okay, so you could put something like this. Make the profile available. Some faculty enter everything, but they do not make it available. Just make it available to the students. If you'd like to add an image, well, that's fine. You could go put your picture in there and just submit. Okay, when you click submit, automatically in the faculty contact information, it gets posted like this. So whenever a student clicks on this, they'll be able to see. Once again, as I told you, as soon as you put any content, go in the student preview and check. See, if you see, this is the student preview. You will be able to see the student preview is on. I want to go make sure that this faculty confirmation contact info is available. So click on this, make sure that the students are able to see it. Many a times, faculty are able to see that in the faculty view, but the students may not be able to see that. Let's click on the announcements. See, they're able to see my banner. They're able to see my announcements, and they're able to see my contact information. So anything that you hide here will not be shown in the student view. To exit, let's exit this. Okay, so that's about creating faculty contact information and posting announcements and banner.